stopped by the Russian army. The Russian army, they pointed their guns at the carriers. They threatened them to kill the animals, and the carriers, they said, no, those are all animals. If you touch the animals, you first have to touch us. So they literally risked their lives to save the animals. And eventually, the Russian army let them through. And then they had a long way to the Polish border. They had to drive through different small routes to avoid the traffic jams, and they said it was a really crazy situation. And finally, when they arrived at the border, they had to wait some more hours, but then everything went okay. So the Ukrainian part was they risked their lives to do that. So they're actually heroes like all the other people there. You had the bombing and the artillery fire, so they were very stressed. That's why it was good to keep them in Poland for a couple of days to calm a bit. So when they came when we took them, they were already very calm. We had a camera pointed on the animals during the whole trip, and we saw that they were a little bit nervous, but that's normal during transport, but they were not very stressed, and that's why the trip went fine.